Hello students, welcome to my video number 47, and in this video I am going to discuss the question answers of this lesson. So let us see the questions in the back. First one is an extract based question under A, and the rest questions are long answer type under B, and some questions are there to discuss and write. So let us begin with the first one, the extract. The extract is, now I shall go on the very opposite track. And the first question is, who said this and to whom? Now we know this line was said by Paul to Lloyd. You'll write down the full name here in this answer. The second one, what was being discussed? Now Lloyd was discussing the discovery of invisibility that he was working on, that he was researching on with the narrator. And this discussion was heard by Paul. So that was the discussion about. Second question, what was the opposite track? Now, Lloyd was discussing with the narrator about creating invisibility by applying by creating a complete black paint having perfect black pigments in it, which would make an object invisible. But as Paul pointed out that such an object would always have a shadow, and how he would get rid of the shadow. So this thing, this Paul took this thing to be his research, and he thought to create complete transparency in his discovery, so that the shadow could be avoided, because a transparent object do not have any shadow. So this is what is meant by opposite track. So I hope this is clear, and this much you will write in your answer. Let us see now long answer type questions. What are the questions? The first one is here. What was Lloyd's theory about an object that was perfectly black? Now we know that that Lloyd's theory about an object that was perfectly black was that if the objects are perfectly or absolutely black, then we could not see them in light as well. That was his theory, and this was the base of his discovery, that if an object was completely and perfectly black, it would not be visible to the eyes even in the light. That was his theory. Second one, what was Paul looking to obtain through his experiments? What was Paul looking to obtain through his experiments? He was looking to get complete transparency, so that no shadow is formed. This transparency means a state or quality of body which permits all rays of light to pass through. So this was what he was looking to obtain through his experiments. Question number 3 now. What would reveal Paul's position on the other side of the net to the narrator? What was revealing Paul's position? The flash of rainbow. A rainbow flash was there, which was revealing the position of Paul. How did the narrator make sure of, this is question number 4, make sure of Lloyd's presence at the tennis court? Now, how did narrator came to know that Lloyd was also present on the court, on the tennis court? Now, in the middle of their play, the narrator saw the ball getting stuck in the middle of the air in an empty space, and he could see the other side, the rainbow flash. So he understood that Paul was little away from the ball, the tennis ball. Then who could be holding that ball? So that made him realize that Lloyd had come into the scene, and to make himself sure, he just started looking for the shadow of Lloyd, because he knew about his discovery, and he was able to find the shadow on the court, and he became sure that Lloyd was also present at the tennis court. Now let us see question number 5. The narrator said that he trembled for the success of either of his friends. What was it that he feared? Now, what was the fear in the narrator's mind for the success of both of his friends? He feared that their rivalry will be harmful for both of them. This was the fear. He knew that their rivalry was going to harm both of them. And next part of the question, how did his fear prove to be true? Now his fear proved to be true when at the end both of them died. Both of them, this discovery became the cause of their death, and both of them died at the tennis court. So his fear was proved to be true. Question number 6 now. What do you think happened to Paul and Lloyd by the end of the story? Now we know that at the end of the story, both of them died. Next part. What proof is available in the text to support this? What proof is there to show that this was the ultimate end of both of them? The proof is that it's written by the writer. The flash had there were no more flashes, and the shadow had become very long and stationary. Means both of them were no more. They met their death, and their discovery became the cause of their death. So that much about to be written in the copy. This discuss and write will be done by yourself. This is something you need to give a thought to it and write it down yourself in the class. See what the first question is asking. The over-competitiveness displayed by Paul and Lloyd was beneficial in terms of scientific achievement but harmful with respect to their own lives. Discuss in class. So this is just a discussion required to be done. You don't need to write it in the copy, this one. Second one, do you think all scientific discoveries are useful to humans? Would invisibility be a beneficial or harmful discovery? This second question you are writing in the copy. Third one, have you read any other stories or seen any films which deal with the topic of invisibility? Share what you have read or seen with the rest of the class. This is something not to be done in the copy. So question number 2 you are writing in the copy. So let me clear the things that you're going to do in your notebooks, that is your copies. First, of course, you will mention the name of the lesson, the shadow and the flash. Now it depends on you how you show this title in the form of a drawing. A shadow and the flash, you can draw a shadow and also a flash. So let us see your imagination in your copies, how you're going to make this visible in your copies, how this thing can be creatively made by you in the copies. So you draw something related to it in your copies. After that, you will write a very short summary of the lesson, very short summary. Then you will of course write down these word meanings given here, and then the question answers. So that much you're going to do in your copies. So I stop here now. Take care everybody, and God bless you all.